I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every.
Hello, crafty friends. I am coming in with a fun swap that I received from Leslie with Mermaid Cove Studio, and the swap was from the group Coffee, Cake, and Crafting on Facebook, and it was hosted by Tiffany McGill, Crafting Like a Boss. Now, this is a one-on-one, so today we only have one package to open. So what we were supposed to do was create a folio, four layered embellishments, and we were supposed to answer some questions about Halloween, as well as a Memdex card or something like that to put it on. Now, I'm not going to show my reveal until Leslie receives her, and I'm late on mine, okay, because I have been designing for Paper Phenomenon for like 14 days straight. 2 weeks straight. Anyway, and even longer than that. But anyway, so let's get into what I made. So I'm so excited. I just love her little envelopes that she sends. I wish I could find these. Probably I could look on Amazon, but I'm lazy. Okay. Just I am. Okay. Now let's get on into this. Oh, yes, and I forgot we were supposed to create a decorated box, okay? Now, unfortunately, my box would not fit in the thing. So what I did is I folded the box and then put all my items to her inside the mini album. So, Leslie, if you're watching, I hope you realize why I did that, okay? I know that was a little cray-cray, but my folio was quite large. So anyway, let's get on into, we're going to go with the first box that is decorated. And this one is so cute. It looks like she used, I'm trying to think. I know this collection. This is Prima's. And that is just the cutest little moon. I love the little pumpkin, the little magic potion bottle. We have a little ghosty. We have some torn ripped pages. And I know this has got to be a ripped page die, which I love that. That is super cute. So let's get on into the box here. Oh my gosh, it's like this. Okay, I see it says scary, but make it cute. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? Okay, so let's see her little, I'm going to put this right here. Let's see her little embellishments. Oh my gosh, she made the cutest little witch's broom, and I love how she has the paper so thin to really make it look like a broom. She added in some sparkle glitter tulle. We have a little witch's hat that she embellished with a little gem on there, and she made this extra thick so it will stand up to any album. And hopefully I'm going to make a October daily. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to it. I've been pretty darn busy. Oh my goodness, these are precious. She's got little bottle tops that she made. Isn't that not cute? And she used a paper collection. I love it. And they're like little stickers. That is so cute. And I love how they're like orangey copper. And then she made me this cute little cat face. I love the little gems on here. So adorable. And then she has some little flags that she did way more than she needed to. I apologize. I only stuck with the 4. But hopefully my album makes up for that. So she has some really precious little flags. 31. Oh my gosh, look at that. October 31. A little cat, and then the little pumpkin. I love the little black flowers with sparkles. I love anything with sparkles, guys. Okay, I don't care if I get glitter all over my desk. That's what little vacuums are for. And look at this cute little embellishment. She's got a little cat coming out of a pumpkin, and she has 31. I love this gold on here. And then she has these really beautiful little stars. I don't know if they come as ephemera or that she cut these stars out herself, but they are precious. Adorable. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be using these in my October daily if I can get going on that. I may have to make a journal or something just so I can get it done quickly. I'm a slow crafter, guys. I don't know about you, but I am slow. So let me cover that up. I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to open the next box, which are like stacked boxes. Ooh, I love it. We got some jimmies. Now, you could use this because they are, I don't know, like a champagne color and diamonds. So I love these. They are beautiful. Hold on, let me get the light going on there. And so I think this would be perfect for Halloween, or you could use these for Christmas. So I will definitely be using that, as well as this too. You could definitely use these for Christmas or any occasion, but especially Halloween. And look at this. So cute, little Jack gingerbreads. I love it. Oh my gosh, they're hilarious. And then you can just color them in, or, that's probably what I will do. Isn't that cute? Love, love, love. Thank you so much for the little gift there. Love it. Okay. Now, here we go on into the next portion where she answers the questions. Oh, I love how she did the rip page effect again. And okay, so her favorite costume was a black tutu with a corset top and a witch's hat. Made it all. Wow. And then she has family favorite food is actually taco soup before we all go out with the grandkids trick-or-treating. Oh, that's awesome. Favorite Halloween movie is Hocus Pocus. Mine too. And then she's like, oh my gosh, that's funny. She's like, I don't like candy corn or these yucky peanut shaped candy. And that is so funny. I am not even kidding you. I said that I only eat candy corn at Halloween, but I cannot stand the peanut shaped marshmallow thingies or whatever they are. That is hilarious. That is insanely hilarious. Okay. Sorry. Because what are the odds that she would have picked that too? She loves chocolate anytime. And then she says, I adore all styles of Halloween crafting except scary. I don't like it. See, I don't mind scary. So I'm glad I didn't make her the bloody knife because I was going to. So anyway, I'm glad I didn't do that. And then inside, she sent me some beautiful little ephemera. Maybe I will use this as my October daily. I don't know. I'm thinking I just might because this is cute. That way I don't even have to make it. I love that idea. Right? And then she added some extra ephemera in here that I can use. So I love that. I'm like, I thought there was a way to open these without. Yeah, there is. Okay. Because, BB's Crafts, she says it drives her crazy when people tear it. And, I didn't know. But anyway, now I do. Now that she said that. So ever since then, I've been trying to figure out a way to open it without having to tear it. Sometimes the KS Craft ones, they stick bad. But look at these little ephemera pieces. All I need is you and some candy. And look at these cute little pink candy corns. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. You know what? I forgot to put candy corn in my collection. What? Okay, then we have Boo. Maybe because I don't really care for candy corn that much. Okay, that's probably why. These are so cute. Maybe that's why she gave me all of these, because she don't like candy corn. And then we have some little stars. We have, that's so cute. We have the 31. Love that. We have some pumpkins right here. Oh my gosh. To my cute pumpkin. That is adorable. Happy Halloween. I did not actually purchase this collection. Now I'm thinking about getting it. Spooky Nights. I have one similar. And then she has this little cute little witch with a little black cat. Love that. We have the moon, more candy corns and stars. So I'm thinking they were ephemera. And then we have another candy corn, more stars. Actually, there's one stuck in here. Little hat. We have little pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. That's so cute. Okay. Then she made these beautiful little wicked looking flowers, and then she added some little embellishments in here. I love that green color. So cute. And it says Luna, and on the side it says scary, but make it cute. Ooh, I love this page. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know what is going on with Prima. I love their papers, but their designs, but this paper I do not care for that much. It is very bland. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I know you all love Prima too, but lately there's just something about the paper that I'm not really liking, the super matte effect. It's almost like construction paper. Is that the way to put it? Maybe. Anyway, I don't know if that's a money-saving thing or what, but look, we have a little magic potion. We have the little witch. So cute. I love how she made this like, so it's like a little tuck spot so you can put a photo here. Isn't this adorable? Oh my goodness, look, we have October 31. And it just magnetically opens like this. And this is Luna. I'm wondering if this is a Luna collection. And then we have these really super cute embellishments. Look at those. Adorable. Love the black cat. And then on the inside, ooh, 31 full moon, midnight magic. Like a tarot card kind of effect. And then we have trick or treat. And then we have some little pumpkins in here. So cute. A little ghosty with a heart, holding a heart. Adorable. I think it just goes out like this. Yeah. And then we have another little tuck spot right here. And it says, "You glow, pumpkin." That's cute. Sorry. I'm just trying to show all the little tuck spots. I love the little moon here. And it looks like she's like either scared or kissing. I'm not sure which one, but it's cute. Okay. And then let's move on to the other side here. Oh my gosh, hilarious. Love that. Okay, another little tuck spot, October 31st, spooky. We have Hey Pumpkin. I love the little girl here, right? And then we're going to go further on. So that's the back, right? Adorable. Let me get this right here. Where did you go? Where did you go, George? Okay, it flipped back. Okay. And then we have this in it. This pulls down. We have another cute little cat with a little hat on. Okay, and this is just adorable. Little creepy guy going on here. Little creepy cute ghosty is what I'm going to say, holding balloons. You know, the balloons remind me of, you know, it. Okay. Then we have, she created a little pocket, right? That's so cute. And then you can put your photo here and then put your journaling cards in here. Again, another photo here with a tuck spot. Love that idea. Look, too cute to be spooky. We have another little tag. That's adorable. Oh, I love that. Little scullies. Then we have another one. So cute. Little tuck spots. Another little ghosty. Trick or treat. Very cute. A little ghosty again. And another trick or treat. Wow, love it. So adorable. Thank you so much. I absolutely love everything. Like I said, I think I'm going to use this as my either a journal or my October daily. I think that would be a great idea. I just need to like cut out some numbers, which will be super easy to do on my Cricut. Or I think I actually have a number. Never mind. I actually have a number plate that I got from KS Craft, so that'll be easy to do. Alrighty, thank you so much, Leslie. And if you guys have not followed Leslie, please check out her channel. I'm going to have her link down below in the description box. And I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And again, Leslie, thank you so much for swapping with me. And thank you, Tiffany, for hosting. And I can't wait to see you all soon. And I can't wait to share what I made with you. Okay, bye, guys.